And once again, playing rank Vainglory. And let's go ahead and equip Vox. I'm going to lane and with weapon power. Weapon power. As you can see, I have the tier 2 skin and tier 1, of course. I'll be equipping the tier 2 since it's freaking awesome, bro. The tier 3 looks like he's gonna go Super Saiyan, bro. I'm getting that next. Tier 3. Oh, damn. So I'm gonna go up against Saw in the lane. That should be... I shouldn't die to him. If I act stupid, then I'll probably die, but... Nah, he can't kill me. I'm too good. I'll kill him if he kills me. So I have a Taka and a Reem. The Taka is a really good pick because they both have Saw and Kestrel, which does lots of damage. And yeah, and we have one of the best tanks in my opinion.
Come on.
Bro, what's this guy doing? Fuck you, piece of shit. Alright. Please last it. Ah. I should have probably gotten 4 last hits, but I only got 3. Unfortunate, but... Fuck, bro. Oh my god. I'm not getting any last hits right now. And I'm getting zoned out, but no, I'm not getting zoned out, like perfectly zoned out, but... Let's see, they should probably start ganking lane. Since they probably cleared this camp and this. And they should be going up right here, right about now. If not, then that's awesome. What the heck? There's no sounds when he fire, but then when I see his... fuck. What the heck? If I go in, he gets... Oh, shit, I should have went in so he gets hit by the turret.
Turn it up to 11.
Ah, they're here too. Fuck, that was laggy. I was like, oh shit, fuck. Oh, what? How did he not die from that? Come on, man. I guess that was good. I should go probably buy something. No, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm out. Let me get some items. We get the heavy steel. Let's go ahead and get some potions. Oh, fuck. Let's sell that. Fuck, dude.
I'm so underground.
What?
I'm feeling so crazy right now.
What the hell? The hell? Getting some MS. But that's not that much. So I should be fine. No one died yet. That's crazy. Since it's almost 4 minutes. what he has weapon build actually. This saw right here.
Let's go. Gotta wrap this up.
Yeah, he wants to hit me.
And the hits keep coming.
Isn't he damaged? Yeah.
Your team captured one of 2 minion mines.
Whole story, bro. Fuck.
Been killed.
If that Kestrel wouldn't been there, I could have probably lived. Right, nice. My teammate is gonna back me up. I don't think we get any kill though. Yeah, we're not gonna kill him. So there's.
It's like they don't know we're gonna win.
So we just killed each other then. That's nice. I don't know if I'll take the trade, but. God dang, why are they both staying in the freaking lane?
Come on then. These guys are Are you
I thought he was gonna go for that saw, but I guess he didn't.
quit it?
And if he did that smash thing earlier, he probably could have died. If my Taka comes here, then we could kill, but I guess no chance of that happening, huh?
Allied turret destroyed. Enemy hero.
Nice. Where's Kestrel at? Right there. Yeah, I can't kill him. What's that hits me? What? That should have been a last hit. Do I stay or do I go buy some stuff? I'm staying. Nah, because the turrets. Man, I'm such a greedy Jew. Yeah, I'm
Crazy right now.
dead. Yeah, I'm so greedy. Or not, they don't commit. They could have killed me because my teammates down there. Awesome! Let's just go jungle. There's no problem with that.
Did you know if you yell into a minion's mouth that echoes?
I don't know if this is.
Almost full.
Oh my god. Taking so much damage. Yo, what the hell are they doing? Bro.
Allied turret destroyed.
Ah, he missed it. And that lag though. Where am I?
Hero killed.
Do we go chase? No, I don't think we could kill.
Enemy team stole.
I'm getting 600 MS.
Time I got famous. Turn it up to 11.
Oh fuck. Why am I lagging though? Saw is alive, and he's gonna go here.
Team captured one of 2
So
minion
I should
mines.
move
Allied
and get
minions
my
are now stronger.
Sorrow Blade. Ah, I still can't get it. Fuck, dude, why are they here?
Seriously? Come on.
Oh fuck. I'm out. Oh my god, there's the dog. No dog.
It's like they don't know we're gonna win.
Fuck you, dog. Fuck you, dog. I'm lagging. Do I live? I live.
Stole a minion mine. Your
Oh my god, I'm lagging.
reset.
It's a miracle!
Allied hero killed.
Oh, fuck. There's no miracle in that. I was happy that I lived, but fuck, bro. We needed Taka to chase him down. That's why Taka was such a good pick. There he is. He's going. Yeah, I don't think we killed the ref with that guy so low. All right, we killed him.
Why are we always running?
Why are we always running?
Well then, bring it.
Well, I guess this is pretty nice. We still haven't lost, but I don't think
Your
we.
team captured one of 2 minion mines.
I don't think
Allied
we're winning.
minions are now stronger.
No, we're actually 5. We have 5
So
kills.
crazy right now.
Did I get that last hit or no? No, I didn't. Alright, let me get this unlucky strike because that's such a.
These guys are way too into these crystals.
We could kill him. What the hell is he doing though? Oh shit. What the hell? I'm pretty sure he was alone. Who's there?
Sister should be around here somewhere.
Damn, why am I lagging though? Oh fuck.
It's about time I got famous.
Bro, we should kill that gold mine.
Are you hearing this?
We're actually. I don't think. We need to get some turrets real bad. So once we free up the Kraken, it will go straight to this, not the first turret. And we need it for the money as well. No, do the thing! Oh my god, this guy's a noob. You know what?
It's like they don't know
You
we're
have killed an enemy.
What? Are you serious though? Are you serious? What's his build? He's going weapon build, so it has a faster cooldown. Bro, that's dumb. Yeah, I think we lost. Yeah. What the deuce? No, he can't kill him. If you force him to use... Yeah, he forced him to use... No, that's not.
Minion mine. Your minions have been reset.
seriously. Come on.
Lots of fun. Damn.
Did you know if you yell into a minion's mouth that echoes?
Bro, why am I lagging again, bro? Isn't he dead?
You have killed an enemy.
Nice. That's why I like Taka when there's like Saw and Kestrel.
Seriously? Come on.
You should block the thing.
Why are we always running?
Alright, he's not gonna get him. if I might die here for because of that Kestrel. Where is she though? I do not know where she is. And
Break next.
she might want to get this minion miner here. We could even get the gold mine.
Sister should be around here somewhere.
It's a nice pick off. The heck? It didn't hit anyone. We should get this tower real bad. I mean turret. And I'm lagging though, so I don't think. Bro, what the and I don't have mana though. We need to get that turret so fucking bad.
Never run from a fight.
Alright, let me get my bone saw. He's dead again. Nice. Oh, bruh.
It's like they don't know we're gonna win. Break next.
We so can't kill her. Careful, I'm leaving. I'm gonna go buy my bone saw. Oh fuck, what the hell was that? What's next? I should get that boots. And let's heal up. Let me get this guy right here. Alright, I should be healing up.
Famous.
Let me get this other guy. The hell? Are we fighting?
Allied hero enemy.
Oh fuck.
Impressive.
Do we fight? No, we don't. Ah, fuck. I didn't know we were gonna fight, so.
Enemy team stole a minion mine. Your minions have been reset. Allied hero killed.
Bruh. Why do they want to surrender? Bruh, are you serious?
Why are we always running?
Bruh, we cannot kill anyone. We need some slows and some freaking... Oh my god, I don't... yeah, we lost. Is he going for him?
Your team captured one of two minion mines. Allied minions are now stronger.
Turn it up to 11.
Do we go and kill him? Bro, we need a mine right here. If we even get to win this game, it's gonna be long.
Let's get this party started right.
My Taka is either going hybrid. I should have taken that freaking tower down.
Enemy hero killed.
Alright, nice.
Allied hero killed.
But he also died. Oh, fucking hell, bro. What the fuck was that? Fuck you, dogs. I mean, I love you, dogs, but fuck you, dogs.
Enemy team stole a minion mine. Your minions have been
I don't think we'll win. What, bro? Is he AFK? Bro, why was it so quiet?
Your team captured one of two minion mines. Allied minions enemy is unbeatable.
You think I wanna go there?
Allied hero killed.
Freaking hell, this fucking sucks, bro.
Never run from a fight. Running.
Allied turret destroyed.
Kill him. Right, I have a team. I don't have Taka yet. In 7 seconds, I'll have him. Bro, what was that? Yeah, I think we still lose.
These guys are way too into
Bro,
this
what the
crystal thing.
fuck?
Enemy team stole a minion mine. Your minions have been reset.
Breaking point. Never got to build that before. With this guy.
It's about time I got famous.
There you go. Lead the way. Ooh.
Shut down.
Bruh, are you kidding me? At least we got. Who was that? Who did we get? Castro. And we're all still alive. Surprisingly.
I'll beat them to it. Seriously? Come on.
The fucking minions are so strong.
Your team captured one of two minion mines. Allied
Bro, why do you want to surrender?
Seriously? Come on.
You don't get
Did you
stats
know
for it.
actual minions
Oh my
validate
god,
Gecko?
1k freaking MS. I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Why does it need to lag? Alright, so fuck. What the hell, dog?
Sister should be around here somewhere.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die pretty quick. You didn't pull her in though.
Allied hero killed.
Bro, you serious? He's not dead.
Hero killed.
Like they don't know.
Bro, fucking hell, we lost. That freaking Crystal is so cancer. Bro, you don't get stats for it. I'm not surrendering. This game is done.